One real comments section. Every real AJAX technique from this series working together, let's build it. This real function runs the instant the page loads, exactly like the loading states video earlier in this series. A real spinner shows immediately. This exact server intentionally delays its response by half a second. The same real fetch pattern from episode 1, now loading a genuine list instead of a single value. Real JSON parsing, exactly like episode 4's product list. The real spinner disappears the instant there's genuinely something to show. Building real DOM nodes from a real array, the same technique taught for the product list. That's the real page's initial load, covering fetching, JSON, and loading state in a few lines. A real, instant client-side filter. Not every filter needs a new server round trip, unlike the debounced search video. Looping over the real, already rendered comment elements already on the page. Real comments that don't genuinely match just hide, nothing is removed or refetched. The real form submit pattern from the no reload video, reused here to post a genuinely new comment. Same real fix as before, stops the browser's default reload. The exact same real post pattern from episode 5, sending a genuinely new comment to the server. The real new comment, echoed back by the server, joins the list, the whole real page never once reloaded. That's the whole AJAX series. Go make something real, genuinely asynchronous.